How to install Holafly on iPhone. Note that doing this a couple of hours before the beginning of your trip. Make sure your device is updated to iOS 17.4 or the latest version. Make sure not to interrupt the installation process. The eSIM is identified as Holafly. Your device may assign a different name to it like personal, secondary, or business. Open the Holafly app and sign in with the same email you used to purchase it. At the bottom of the menu, go to the My eSIMs tab. Here you will find some details about the data plan you purchased. Press Install and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions. Press Continue in the pop-up window. When you see the Activate eSIM screen, press Continue. The installation will start automatically. That's it. Thanks for watching.